Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is a replacement new digitizer or glass screen for the Apple iPad Air model number A1474 or A as in Apple 1475. So as you can see, the screen is cracked right there. My son has a Apple iPad 2, and somehow when I press over here, it's making like a crack, not cracking noise, but like the double-sided stick is not stick anymore or something. So I'm also gonna show you a sample right here. I'm not sure if you guys can hear when I press it and let go. It seems like the double-sided tape, some of the glue got loosened and then not stick anymore. So you can hear more over here on the corner. It's not due to the crack, okay? It's due to the age of the double-sided tape. So I'm not sure the Apple cut backs on the glue or somehow the glue does not stick too well. It's making a noise right here too. So anyway, I just want to bring that up because I guess I'm not sure about the Apple quality control, or they might have to put like a stronger strip of glue around this area. And for the iPad 2, my son's double-sided tape become loose right here on the bottom area. But this one is, the iPad Air is fine. So I guess depending on what kind of model you have. So anyway, let's go ahead and then get this box, the replacement screen. So as you can see, the customer broke the digitizer. So you cannot, the touch sensitive is not working. Slide to unlock it does not work. But the home button works. So right now I cannot turn it off. And it is a 97% battery charge. Wow, my God. Hopefully it's not cracking the screen because the tools are facing down like that. So normally when you purchase a screen, it will come with the suction cup, guitar pegs, one thin one and one thick one, and then plastic plungers, and then your screwdrivers, the Phillips, and then Pentelope screwdriver. And this one comes with the double-sided tape. Hopefully that's strong enough. Let's see. So it comes with this pre-cut already, double-sided tape. And this is the screen. And I also want to point this out. There's a lot of YouTuber try to show you guys on how to repair it. But unfortunately, they did not do it right. Because I guess a couple of them will try to yank it on this side. And then one of the viewers saying that, oh, they cut the ribbon cable because the instruction did not show them on really how to do it correctly. So I will make a video on how to do a repair on this coming up soon, I hope, because I got so many unboxing to do and review and this and that, so I will try to get to it real quick. But when you try to repair this, it will take some time. You need to heat up the glue around the edges first. Heat source is your best friend, by the way, okay? So make sure you heat it up and don't rush it. If you rush it, if you don't allow the glue to melt down properly, it's going to, you're going to have more hassle of removing the glass, okay? So once you heat up correct temperature and allow you to lift up properly, it will also take out that double-sided glue and lift up together. If somehow you don't melt the glue down at the right temperature, those glue are very sticky, okay? So that's why when you try to yank it out and try to force it up, those glue residue will stick on around your frame. And that's I try to avoid from that. I got smart and then I just keep on hitting it while I try to lift up slowly on one side. And just keep on heating it while I try to just let the glue loosen up when you apply more heat to it. And that is a tip and tricks on how to do that. So you want to start from your left side first, since the cables for the home button and then the digitizer is on the right hand side. You want to work and heat it up around this area first, okay? And make sure when you go around the home button, you want to stop right there. And then after that, you start from here. And same goes with the front-facing camera, okay? And then you open from left to right like this when you try to lift it up. But also you could go around here on the top right hand corner and then start from there. And then you could also use the new screen and maybe try to like a marking or put like a tape right there so you know when to stop. And also on the bottom, you could only go up to this much, or else you're gonna mess up your cables. Unless you don't care because you know your digitizer is no longer working, you don't need to save it, but the home button is around this area as well. So I will stop around this right here, okay? And just heat up the glue around this area and just let it melt it slowly. And when you did this part right here, so normally the glue will just completely come loose because I don't see the glue stick that well around this this side or this area, since the cables are on this side. So anyway, this is unboxing for this Apple iPad Air A1474 and A1475. Hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the channel. Please also subscribe if you're new, and then share this with your family on social media if they need to repair their iPad Air. Alright, and I will be making a video taking my time to do it and show you guys step by step steps on how to do it DIY tutorial. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.